Here we gonna tell you how to keep your carpets dust and dirt free. By Spotless Carpet Steam Cleaning. Cleaning steps to make your carpet dust free. 1. You can vacuum the first. 2. Use baking soda to clean the stains. 3. Go deep cleaning. 1. You can vacuum the first. There may be two types of dirt settled on your carpet: wet and dry. You can easily remove the dry dirt first by using a vacuum cleaner. This not only reduces your efforts to clean the carpet but also removes dust from it. 2. Use baking soda to clean the stains. Sprinkle baking soda on the stain, and keep rubbing it with a cloth until it forms lather. Put some warm water and continue scrubbing the stain, otherwise call professional carpet cleaners. 3. Go deep cleaning. 1. Mix 2 to 3 teaspoons of detergent with water. Sprinkle some salt, baking soda and mixture. 2. Let the batter placed in for a few minutes. 3. Scrub the carpet with a rag. 4. Add water and continue scrubbing. 5. Slowly start pressing the rag or cloth into the carpet and scrub it. What to do in the absence of detergent or soap? If the detergent is out of stock, you may use half teaspoon of white vinegar and add it to a mixture of dishwashing soap and warm water. Make sure you use a very small quantity of vinegar, as a large quantity may spoil the color of the carpet. Hire professionals for better cleaning. We at Spotless Carpet Steam Cleaning are here to the rescue. We not only remove stains, dirt and dust from your carpets but also deep clean your carpets, helping them last longer. We know the value of a healthy home, and so we bring our services to you in a budget-friendly way. Thank you for watching.